वेलकम टू लर्न आर्ट चैनल। दोस्तों, अगर आप ड्राइंग सीख रहे हो और आप चाहते हो कि आपकी ड्राइंग पे मैं सजेशन दूँ, तो लर्न आर्ट चैनल के वीडियोस आप देखिए, ड्राइंग बनाइए और मुझे ईमेल भेज दिए। मेरा ईमेल आईडी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है। थैंक यू। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लर्न आर्ट चैनल and I'm going to show you how to do portrait with human figure. Like, first, the basic trick is you have to be a perfect circle or oval. So this is oval shape. You can do male or female portrait is similar in this shape only. First you have to divide that face in two parts. Okay, after that, the down circle portion, you have to divide that portion also half, and after this portion, that is also you have to divide half. So the first half line is called E, that is eye line, means our eyes based on this eye line. So the second line is our nose, and the third line is lips. So we are going to learn the portrait thing. First you have to know about the basic shape. So everything in the world, it's depend on the basic shape. So what is basic shape? Basic shape is square, triangle and circle. So whatever you want to do, you have to divide just over or rough outline or something basic outline. Like first I did this circle and then lines, nose is like a triangle. So this is my technique. If you are practicing, then so you can think what you can do and what is your basic line and what you are comfortable about these things. So we are going to do this portrait first. Okay, I'm doing one more line above eye line. Okay, because that is the eyebrows line. So what is the basic shape of eye? In this shape, what is the basic shape? The basic shape of eye is triangle. So this is our eye. Okay, so how do we implement in this face? The nose line and यहाँ दो आँखों के बीच में एक आँख का गैप होता है. एंड हमारी आँख की जितनी साइज़ होती है उतना ही नाक का साइज़ होता है. दिस मेजरमेंट इज़ अप्रॉक्स, लाइक नॉट परफेक्ट कि इतना ही होना चाहिए, इतना ही नहीं होना चाहिए. डिपेंड ऑन कैरेक्टर टू कैरेक्टर, पर्सन टू पर्सन. Somebody has very big nose, somebody has very sweet and small nose, so it depend. But this is the proportion ratio is like this is our eye going to complete. After this eyes, we are going to do his nose. Okay, and his eyebrows. If you want to do a male drawing, then you have to do the features are very sharp. If you want to do female drawing, that feature is very soft because female is very soft and smooth and like very sweet. So male is little rough and tough. So whatever you want to do, you can try that. And what is the proportion of our ear? That eye line or eyebrows line to nose. I mean, it's not like kind of position, but it's a man. If you want to try to do something, you want to try this girl, you can be, but you have just little sharp features. So this is the portrait.
वेलकम टू लर्न आर्ट चैनल। दोस्तों, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके ड्राइंग पे मैं सजेशन दूं, तो लर्न आर्ट के वीडियोस देखिए और ड्राइंग बना के मुझे मेरे ईमेल एड्रेस पे भेज दीजिए। आई विल टेल यू द करेक्ट थिंग्स हाउ टू ड्रॉ। मेरा ईमेल आईडी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है। थैंक यू।